directly store in the string variable, or you can create a string object with the new object of a string class. Okay, using the new operator. So whether you do the string class object or you do the string buffer class object, after that you have to use their functions. So in which page number these are there mentioned of string class? Please see that one and see. Which page number you have string class functions? Okay. What is the first function you have? Caret. First function I think caret. Okay. So caret. First one is caret. Okay. Suppose a string object we have string x is equal to, okay, you can put that, you can use that object, okay, to call the functions. This function is caret function. If I put 3 here, I'll get a t, which is a character. Okay, so I can store in a character variable and I can show it. Okay. Okay. The next, what is the next one? Capacity is not available in the string class. By mistake it is given. Then what is the next one? Compare to. Suppose I have another class, another object string y is equal to new string, okay, right, new string mom, right, mom is stored there. So somebody will come and use the concat function here. Come. So we have two objects, one is x, another y. Y is the, hey, you are storing where? No, you store in another. You store in another variable, a new variable. Let it be x. His name is x. So x dot concat y x1. Okay. X dot concat. X is used to call the function, and y is applied to it. And when we print x1, it is calling Montfort mom. Okay. Right. Next one is what? Next command. Plus. Plus will do the same thing. Who will do and that one? Oh. Same operation is done in, you store in AX2. Same operation, but this time we'll use concatenation operator, not concat function. In the exam it can come difference between the concat operation and a concat operator and concat function. Maybe this is a question. Okay. Concat operator is this one plus operator. Okay. But output of both are same. What is the next one? Ends with. Somebody goes. Ends with. End. Go. Go. Go and do. So, in Boolean variable he is storing x dot ends with port. Port you write. Ot or port. In double quotes. So definitely it will come true. And starts with mom you write, mom you write fully in double quote. That's a string. Starts with, ends with, takes a string. Mom you write, mom. Array you write. This one, mom write, mom. Mom write or mom write, mom. Okay, do. Array you write two letter word or three letter word. So starts with, ends with. Boolean what? Then Krishnasis is doing equals x dot equals y. X dot equals port, another variable. Then let us just discuss all the functions. Next function is what? After equals ignore case. Equals ignore case will see whether it will not see whether capital or a small. Equals ignore case already done. Good. Then another do. Where? You wait, don't drop. You can do in the black smart board. All others, those who are sitting, can write on their notebook. Please write, everybody. So what other functions available? Index of will give you position. Index of will give you position. Last index of it will give the position in the last side. No, that only use. That only. No need of output. Those object you use. X and Y you use. Index of, last index of. Length function will give you number of characters. Replace will replace all the characters, all the particular characters with a particular character. Replace substring will give you part of a string. Lowercase we will convert it to small letters. All letters will be converted to small letters. Uppercase, all will be capital. Okay. String will be converted to string. It's just a duplicate. String is just used to duplicate a string. Okay. Trim Trim will take away all the spaces in the left, either in the left or in the right side. Right. Next is value of converts a number to string. It's a static function. Make it static. Behind it, make the static. Value of, make it static. So next work is yours to do the next program.